48 hours in Istanbul. Welcome to Travel Turkey YouTube channel.
Today me, Daniela, and my partner Ali will show you famous places to visit and good spots for delicious food in Istanbul.
Any good day starts with a good breakfast, so
Come with us!
we are at Namlı Gurme.
Let's go check it out.
Welcome to Namlı Gurme.
Where breakfast is the serious business.
This place is like a luxury market turned into a breakfast place. Think 20 type of cheese, olives, dried meats, fresh honeycomb and Turkish pastries.
It's been around since 1929 and it's always buzzing with locals.
You grab a tray, choose your dream meze combo and enjoy your Turkish breakfast.
This is the baklava spot.
And we mean it. Run by the Güllüoğlu family, who've been perfecting the recipe for generations.
Everything is made fresh daily, right behind the counter. You can actually watch the process while you order.
How is it?
So delicious.
There's syrup, not too sweet, not too heavy, perfectly balanced.
Balat used to be home for Istanbul's Greek and Armenian communities.
And now it's a colorful neighborhood with vintage charm and perfect for photo shoot.
As you can see.
When you come to Balat, it's a must to have a gazoz at this place.
It's traditional Turkish drink.
And they have hundreds of different tastes. Let's go inside. The streets are full of history, cool cafes, beautiful old houses and cute cats.
It's the perfect place to walk around and take in the vibe. One of the places that is always included in Travel Turkey tours
is Arnavutköy neighborhood in Beşiktaş.
This neighborhood hosts a collection of the best fish and Turkish restaurants.
Historical houses and nice streets make it a great place to explore and enjoy the atmosphere in Istanbul. That's the end of our first day with Travel Turkey.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
And see you tomorrow morning.
Good morning, guys. We are starting our day 2 in Istanbul.
Behind us you can see Nuri Osmaniye Mosque, and behind it we have one of the oldest markets in the world, Kapalı Çarşı or Grand Bazaar. Let's go visit.
Let's go.
The Grand Bazaar is open since 1460s, so do the math how many years they are open and comment below.
And it has over 4,000 shops selling handmade carpets, evil eye jewelry, saffron, spices, leather jackets, gold chains.
Whatever comes to your mind, probably they have it in 20 different colors.
When you come to Grand Bazaar, don't forget to grab lunch here.
To experience the real taste of traditional Turkish kebab.
Beşiktaş is where the real Istanbul lives. It's busy and full of life.
You will find cozy cafes and street food on every corner. The vibe is young, chill and creative.
Locals hang out by the sea, just talking and sipping tea. Visiting Turkey and living without having a doner, impossible.
And this place is the most famous doner in Istanbul. Usually there is a 50-meter line, but today we were lucky because it's not lunchtime. Enjoy.
Let's try it.
Istanbul is the only city in the world that spans into 2 different continents. Behind me, you can see the Asian side.
And on the right side, we can see European side. So you take the tour and you enjoy the view and try to find the differences between those 2 continents. Girls, tip for you, don't forget your bikini if you come on a summer season, because here we have a spot for the sun baths. So you enjoy the view and you are taking a sun baths. And that wraps wraps up our 48-hour adventure in Istanbul with Travel Turkey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more travel content. And if you are planning a trip to Istanbul, contact Travel Turkey for an unforgettable experience. Bye!